Every great journey begins with purity and the soft glow of dawn over our organic fields, where the finest pomegranates grow under nature's watchful eye. These ruby-like fruits are carefully nurtured, soaking up the nutrients of the earth and the energy of the sun, until they reach the perfect peak of ripeness. Only the most exceptional fruits are hand-selected, ensuring that every single pomegranate destined for our factory meets the highest standards of quality and taste. From the branches of our trees, the harvest begins its short journey to the processing facility, maintaining the freshness of the farm in every single load. Welcome to a world of absolute precision and hygiene, where nature meets advanced technology to preserve the essence of the fruit in its most pristine form. As the pomegranates enter our sterile facility, they are handled with the utmost care, transitioning from the raw earth to a sophisticated world of automation. The journey continues across rows of polished metal, where every step is designed to protect the integrity of the fruit while preparing it for its transformation. The first stage of transformation begins as the fruits gather together, ready to be purified and prepared for the extraction of their precious life-giving nectar. Cleanliness is our ultimate commitment. We utilize advanced ozone technology to ensure that every fruit is thoroughly washed and free from any external impurities. The swirling water and gentle bubbles work in harmony, delicately removing every trace of dust while keeping the delicate skin of the pomegranate completely intact. A final rinse with purified water ensures total sterilization, leaving the fruits glowing and vibrant, ready for the next phase of our meticulous extraction process. Precision air drying removes every last drop of moisture from the exterior, ensuring that only the pure juice inside the fruit will reach the final bottle. This is the moment of peak readiness. The fruit is now a canvas of pure color, stripped of all impurities and prepared to release its inner treasures. Human expertise remains at the heart of our process. Our specialists perform a final visual check to ensure that only flawless fruits proceed to extraction. In this controlled environment, we maintain the highest standards of food safety, creating a sanctuary where the essence of nature is preserved without compromise. The moment of revelation arrives. As the fruit is opened, it unveils its hidden glory. Hundreds of juice-filled seeds that look like precious, sparkling red rubies. These seeds are the source of life and vitality, packed with antioxidants and vitamins that we are about to release through our advanced cold press technology. Separated from the bitter pith, only the sweetest and most nutrient-dense seeds are moved forward, ensuring the final juice is smooth, flavorful, and perfectly balanced. Our cold press technology is key. By avoiding heat, we ensure that every enzyme and delicate vitamin remains alive and active within the deep red liquid. Witness the birth of pure essence. Each drop represents the concentrated power of nature, captured without the use of additives, sugars, or artificial preservatives. The juice flows like a river of life, vibrant and full of character. This is the authentic flavor of the fruit, preserved in its most natural state. In slow motion, we see the true power of the pomegranate. Every cell is gently opened to release the health-giving properties hidden deep within the seed. The marriage of organic beauty and industrial precision creates a product that is as beautiful to look at as it is healthy to consume for you. Our facility is a masterpiece of modern engineering, by design to handle nature's bounty with the respect and the technical excellence it deserves at every single stage. The extracted juice is gathered, a massive reservoir of antioxidants and flavor, waiting to be refined into the premium product our customers know and love. Because we use no heat, the flavor remains bright and the nutrients remain intact, providing a sensory experience that is as close to the fruit as possible. Now, the juice enters our refining phase. It travels through specialized glass pathways where it undergoes multi-stage filtration to achieve a perfectly smooth and consistent texture. Scientific verification is essential. Our lab experts analyze every batch, testing for nutrient density and ensuring that our strict quality benchmarks are consistently met. Against the light, the juice reveals its perfection. It is clear, vibrant, and free from any unwanted particles, representing the pinnacle of refined natural beverage production. If the data confirms what we already know, this juice is a powerhouse of health, containing the maximum possible concentration of the pomegranate's natural, life-enhancing benefits. Our advanced filtration systems work silently and effectively, removing any remaining solids while allowing the pure, liquid essence of the fruit to pass through unhindered. Stored in temperature-controlled tanks, the juice is kept at the perfect state of preservation, ensuring that the flavor and nutrients are locked in before the bottling. Every detail of our facility reflects our dedication to excellence. From the materials we use to the light that fills our rooms, everything is optimized for quality. Consistency is our promise. We monitor every variable in real time, ensuring that every liter of juice we produce is as perfect as the very first one. The stage is set for the final act. Hundreds of premium glass bottles move in perfect unison, ready to be filled with our precious pomegranate nectar. The filling process is a display of precision. We use vacuum-sealed technology to ensure that no air enters the bottle, preserving the juice's freshness for longer. Every bottle is filled with the exact same amount of liquid, ensuring that every customer receives the same premium experience, bottle after bottle, every single time. Sealing in the goodness. Our high-speed capping machines provide an airtight seal that protects the flavor and the nutritional integrity of the juice from the outside world. Our brand is a mark of quality. The final label is applied with precision, reflecting the premium nature of the liquid that is contained within the glass. A final inspection ensures perfection. Each bottle is backlit and scanned, guaranteeing that what reaches your hands is a flawless piece of natural art and science. From the farm to the glass, every step of this journey has been designed to elevate your senses and provide the ultimate in luxury and health. The journey is complete and the awakening begins. Pour yourself a glass of pure vitality and experience the rich, deep flavor of nature's most powerful fruit. Notice the depth of color and the clarity of the liquid. This is the result of hours of careful processing and a lifetime of dedication to excellence. Awaken your senses with a single sip. Feel the rush of nutrients and the explosion of flavor that only the purest pomegranate juice can provide to you. Pure from the farm, premium in every drop. Our red pomegranate juice is more than a drink. It is a journey of taste and total well-being.